Hi guys, welcome to my review for the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. So the Amazon Fire Stick has been around for a while. I've used the 1080 version. This particular one is the 4K version. Obviously this is just the remote for it. It is pretty good. Like, this is pretty much the same thing. The only difference is it's got a talkie thing there, so you just press the button and you say what you want to watch and it'll show it. So I thought to myself, okay, it's a bit gimmicky. It makes Alexa part of your home, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted that, considering I am a Google fanatic, I guess you could say. I've got like Google Home, all the Google services that you can probably think of. Some of them that have been now defunct as well. So some of those. And I thought to myself, why do I need a Fire Stick when a Chromecast is going to do me? Now, the Chromecast works off your phone. And I can set up YouTube videos in playlists, and that was the most important thing for me, to still be able to do that. Now, out of the box, I can't actually do it with the Fire Stick, and I still need to use my phone, but that's not too much of a problem because I can still navigate with this lovely remote. So it wasn't too much of a problem. And I thought, okay, let's give it a try. Tested it out for the last couple of days and I liked it. I like it a lot, actually. Some people are having problems with the Chromecast where the quality of the video isn't coming across the right way. So it's not 1080p, it's either 720 or lower, and it causes problems for people who are trying to watch stuff in like high quality. Like, I have some problems watching videos of camera reviews where I can't actually see what the quality is actually like of the actual camera that's being reviewed. So in that respect, I found a fix. A lot of people couldn't find a fix for it, but this Fire Stick out of the box just works. You can set it in the settings for 1080 or 4K. Obviously currently I've got it plugged into a 1080 device, so it will only show up to 1080. So let's just have a look at that. So if you did have any problems, what you would do, okay, so let's just go here. So this is your main screen with your apps and your suggestions from your Amazon Prime account, and we go to settings and we go to display and sound. So I've had to set up the display to automatic so it would work with this capture device. Otherwise, I've got it set to 1080/60. So let's just show you that. So that's what I have it set to when I am using it with my TV. And yeah, you can mess around with all these lovely options. That's pretty good. And you can do the same thing for the sound. Let's see what display mirrorings. Is that even enabled? I don't know. Let's just go back. And there you are. And I started using it. It was fine. It shows me everything that's on my account. So I've got, where are you? I've got Amazon Prime, obviously YouTube, and where are we? Netflix. And I'm thinking of getting Disney Plus for the Marvel movies and the TV shows that are coming up. And these are the last things I watched last night. I haven't actually finished this. It just was a bit pants, to be honest with you. But it only shows you the last things that you watched on Amazon Prime. It would have been good if you can see your last Netflix shows. So there is another tab here, your videos, but again, it's all Amazon stuff. So they could have possibly done something with that. I've tried to play the Snake game on here, and it was alright for the most part, but you can't get really like complicated games running off this, so it's just a bit of a gimmick, but it's alright if you want to kill some time. I was quite shocked that it's got like poker and casino games and stuff like that, and I think they use real money, so that's not good, especially if a kid gets a hold of this. They could do some damage. Where is it? Let's have a look. There we go. There you go. Look, poker, Las Vegas roulette poker thingy, blackjack, 777 spin. Okay, I think this solitaire game is probably fine. And yeah, it's I did have an issue trying to uninstall Plex though, and I then figured it out by going in and doing it the long way around, and then I found a shortcut to it, which was really cool, and it was kind of obvious really. So yeah, you should just give it a try yourself. So if you ever do need to delete anything, let's go here. For example, no, you don't go there at all. There, you just remove. No, don't remove from recent. Pants. Okay, so I've forgotten how to do it the quick way. But basically, one of the things I had a problem with, which the Fire Stick fixed for me, was accessing my network storage. Now, I've got a lot of videos on network storage, which is a Western Digital My Book Live, and the server that was running on there stopped working after a period of time, and that caused me a few problems. If I wanted to watch anything, I'd have to copy it onto our external hard drive, or watch it on my laptop, or get a copy it over to my laptop, take a HDMI cable, plug it into my TV, and then watch it on a bigger screen. And I've tried using ES Explorer on my phone, on a couple of my phones, and it just never worked. AVI files don't play, certain other types of files don't play. Now, I've been taking videos for like a long time, recording weddings and stuff like that. I've got like all my video files were copied from mini DVs into AVI files, and those AVI files can't be played, and little demos that I've got can't be played either. And yeah, it's a bit annoying. But there are workarounds, but they're just hectic workarounds. So as you saw here, ESS, where's it gone, is actually installed, and you can explore network drives and whatever else. And I thought that's good, so I tried it, and it just worked. I was like completely flabbergasted by it, and it was like, okay, let me see if I can watch a series. So I put on a video, but it only played the one video out of like 2 or 3 that were in the folder, and it actually just stopped. So I had to go and physically select another file, which was a pain. But then I saw that VLC player was available and I installed it. And with this, I can now go to sleep watching whatever videos I want to watch. So I can just go to my local storage. I can go to my MacBook if I wanted to, and it will allow me to watch whatever. I find that really interesting to me, and yeah, it's pretty good. So if I go down and show you, so this is my home video. It's actually vertical for some reason. Let me see if I can swap that around. Possibly. This is when I went to Mexico for the first time. Oh god, picture quality is not so great, but that was using the Microsoft Surface RT. So as you can see, I can look at videos and whatever else, and yeah, it's pretty cool, and everything just works, every kind of video file you can think of. And that's probably been the best thing about this, and the fact that I've got the remote and I can use this more often. One thing that is not so good, if I press this power button, the TV turns off, and I think the Fire Stick turns off. But if I say change the source to say the Skybox or normal TV or something, it's still running in the background. So I can put it to sleep, I think, but I don't know if it's still taking lots of power. So that's probably a downside. But if you can get this on Black Friday deals, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you've got your own videos and whatnot, and you've got you've taken your DVD collections and you've compressed them and stuck them on your external hard drive for watching anytime you want, anywhere you want. This will do it for you. I can't believe how good it is. I actually really like it, and it's given me some of the functionality back on my network, which is like a massive bonus. And yeah, enjoy it if you get one. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.